Shar-Pei, Chow Chow, Great Dane, Lhasa Apso, Collie, Cocker, Pinscher, Pointer, German Shepherd, English Shepherd, Schnauzer, Samoyed, Suki, Bully, Husky, Pyrenees, Italiano, Portuguese, Black Lab, Golden Lab, Mastiff, Spitz, and Whippet. That's a lot of love for one small world. That's a lot of love for one small world.
Kennel cough. What is it? How is it transmitted? And how is it treated?
The most common organisms associated with kennel cough are the bacteria called Bordetella bronchoseptica and two viruses called parainfluenza and adenovirus, and even an organism called mycoplasma. Now you say that 3 times fast. Symptoms usually occur from 3 to 7 days after the dog is initially infected. The most common symptom is a dry hacking cough, sometimes followed by retching. Many owners describe the cough as having a honking sound. A watery nasal discharge may also be present. With mild cases, dogs continue to eat and be alert and active. In more severe cases, the symptoms may progress into pneumonia.
The signs of kennel cough usually will last from 7 to 21 days and can be very annoying for the dog and the dog's owners. The causes are airborne organisms from an infected dog, much the same way that human colds are transmitted.
Kennel cough can be acquired from your neighbor's dog, an off-leash dog park, or a dog show. It's important to have your pet immunized against this infectious organism from your veterinarians. If you suspect kennel cough, don't hesitate. Go and visit your vet.
For further information on this topic, please visit atouchoflove.ca.